Hi everyone! So for today's video, I just want to share that I've been elected as the president or the prime minister. Prime minister?
Oh my God! Wow!
Of the English club. So I prepared a short speech. So here it is. So I am truly honored to be your new president. Bako, kaayo akong pagpasalamat sa iyong pagsalig ug suporta. Even though this is my first time. Our English club is a wonderful space for us to share our love for the language and explore new ideas. Ang atong tumong mao ang paghimo sa usa ka mapaikag ug mahimayaon nga tuig. I hope we can all contribute ideas, learn from each other, and grow together. Let's make the most of our time together. Magkilabangay ta aron mas mahimong magbalangkuson ang atong club. I'm excited to work with each of you and see what we can achieve. Thank you for this opportunity. Sa usog, daghan kaayong salamat. And that's all for today. God bless you all. Love you all.